Hi, this is Compost Man Stan out in my garage. It's cold outside, but it's the perfect time to put together your growing mix for your seedlings. Over in the far bin is the peat moss. In the second bin with the tan bag is vermiculite. In the green bag is some really good compost from Missouri Organic. And then the little white bag there is some green sand, some excellent minerals. So we're going to mix these, add some water, and push them through the soil blocker. Just add water a little bit at a time and mix it, because it's easy to get it too wet. So go to the bottom, mix it up, and it's almost like mixing concrete. Take it a little bit at a time, because once you put too much in, it's too late. It's very dry ingredients and they have to absorb quite a bit of water. But go to the bottom and bring all that up, and you'll start to notice it's clumping. So just one more layer of water will be enough. You squeeze it, you get drops of water. Perfect. So this is our soil blocker, and to get it to make these wonderful blocks like this, it's important that you start by just pushing it through and then using your thumb to pack it. And we've taken all our dry ingredients and we've added moisture to it. You take about a handful of this and squeeze it, you'll start to feel drops of water. It's just like a damp sponge that's been wrung out. Wipe this into it, get it ready, and then put it here and push down hard and squeeze. And you get perfect blocks. And they'll stick together, and they'll dry, and they'll be great plant starter blocks. And the cool thing about this is you don't need pots, and you can just plant this directly into the ground. And see how I'm just pushing it all in here so it's firm in there. And squeeze it out. And that's all there is to it.